everybody, what is up? My name is Chris, welcome to another video. Today, I'm with my mom, say hi. And we're going to be food shopping in Giants.
That we have a lot of?
Yeah. Don't we have like 2 containers or something?
No. 2, yeah. Sorry.
Known at the deli. Okay, guys, we got turkey, ham, and Swiss cheese. Or is that?
Yes. Roast beef.
Is that Swiss cheese?
It's American.
Oh, American.
This is gonna be for your.
Oh, you got roast.
Very good. Can I pause it or no?
Oh, I'll do this. I know how to do this.
No.
Here. There we go.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Right? I don't know. It's just funny. No wonder why I struggle in life with that. But I'm good at tying my shoes, though. But I guess it don't work for everything. I mean, what's the point of tying your shoe if you can't do it with anything else?
No, but that's some shoelace.
Okay, show everyone how you do it.
What? You put it together like that,
Yeah.
and you twist.
Oh, so easy. I was trying to
Like
loop it.
tying it like a shoelace.
I was trying to loop it and yeah.
I don't know if the frozen thing.
Frozen. Okay, guys, this is all we got. Because we're supposed to be getting snow tonight. In my live lesson, for my math live lesson, my teacher said the code word was snow tonight. And I'm like, why? And she said, because we might be getting snow. So we're just getting prepared, got some chips and stuff. Yeah, we just need stuff to survive the storm. Potential storm. If there's no storm, hey, at least we got snacks, but just being prepared, because then if it does storm and we've got nothing, we're going to be screwed. So, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, guys, I was going to say to you, make sure to go out to the store and buy things before the storm, if there is a storm, because, like I said, this could be uploaded at nighttime, like late, because I have uploading issues. So chances are you're seeing this and you're already snowed in, so. But in the comments, tell me if you guys are experiencing snow, because some people could live somewhere else and didn't get the snowstorm. Or some people already got the snowstorm and it's over now. Maybe some people are going to be getting it after us. So tell me in the comments. Do you want this stuff in both party wagons? Okay, guys, we are done with the store. We're probably gonna be going to the barn. Maybe I'll record the barn a little bit. I have my bag of chips here just so I can have some. People are buying Domino's pizza. Oh my God! Comment if you hate Domino's, because I really do. I'm gonna record at the barn. Okay, so now they're gonna be bringing the horses in. There's Country Girl.